Speaker, sir, DRDA, District Rural Development Agency, has many ongoing developmental works in the north as well as south of Goa, including Kortaling constituency. There is need of a definite technical manpower by way of engineers. If the technical manpower can be provided to DRDA North, why not provide the essential technical manpower to the south of Goa?
Rural Development Agency has become a department, and we are in process of filling all those posts. A roster has been is getting ready. I know that there are no engineers, there are no junior engineers, there is no assistant engineer, there is one executive engineer, there is no jeep. You have not mentioned. I know all these things, but in the next 1 month, Speaker sir, in the next 1 month, we will provide this department with all the required infrastructure, that is jeeps, that is engineers. We will bring engineers right now from PWD, because there are a lot of engineers from PWD. I will ask from our Honorable Minister, and I think he will definitely give us some engineers for time being, till we put up advertisement, and get our permanent engineers. Honorable Chief Minister has assured me that all the staff, what is required for DRDA North and DRDA South, we will see that in the next 3 months we will get all this staff on board. What is required actually, the engineers, and we will make sure that in the next 15-20 days, they will be on board to start work.